Hi guys, today we're going to be crimping on a fitting on an RG6 cable. Why would you want to make your own coaxial cable? You may be hanging a over-the-air broadcast antenna. You may be installing your modem for your network. These cables do get used in a lot of applications. So I have a tool right here, and this is for properly splicing a cable like this. You want that copper core to be exposed. Now if you look on the side of it, it'll show you RG59, RG6. You want to make sure that those blades, and I'm sorry for the lighting, you want to make sure that those blades are on top. You have a blade right here. The first thing you want to do is you want to get a nice square cut. So let's say you have this cable and it looks like that. You don't want it like that. You want a nice square cut. So that's what that blade right there does. You put it in. You can see where it goes. You can put it in and make a nice cut. There you go, a nice square cut. Now the next thing you want to do is, again, make sure that you get it on those blades. And I would put it through just a little bit extra. Let just a little bit of extra be exposed. And then go ahead and just go around this way, go back around this way, and there you go. Now you want to make sure that you pull back all of the webbing. You don't want any of this webbing, any of this steel webbing here to be on. So you just want to peel that steel webbing back. Make sure that it's all peeled back. You get a fitting. Now, you can get these tools at Lowe's. I ordered mine quite a long time ago. I think I got it off of eBay. And this is a compression tool for compression fittings, like so. Now there's a lot of different fittings. These are the long fittings. Make sure that you get whatever fitting you need for your tool. And if you don't know, all you want to do is you just want to get on the computer and search the part number for this tool, and it will tell you which fittings it will accept. Now, again, make sure all of that webbing is pulled back. Put your fitting on, and it goes all the way on. And you'll know when it's all the way on too, because it'll be, the inside will be, you'll see it. You'll see that white inside. There you go. See that? That's good. That's what you want right there. And you go ahead insert it. And squeeze down on it. And my friends, you got yourself a brand new cable. Now you might want to clip that end a little bit, possibly flush like this. Go ahead and clip that, and you're done. That's all there is to it. I hope this was helpful. I'll see you guys in another video.